Ashiba Cornwall is a 19-year-old social advocate for youth empowerment. She believes in providing young Jamaicans with the wonderful opportunities she has been given, motivating and empowering them to be the best version of themselves. Ashiba is the founder and CEO of the now 2-year-old business Empower Youth Teas, and we check in with her this morning. Good morning to you, madam. How are you doing?
Good morning. I'm doing well. How are you?
Whoa, first day of sunshine in days, and you are empowering and embodying all of it. Good to talk to you this morning, Aishiba. All is well with you, I'm hoping?
Thank you so much. I can't complain at all, and I'm not going to complain. I'm feeling good.
Well, it's clear, and you are spreading some of that infectious energy, and we appreciate it because this is Smile Jamaica, right? So anything that can make us smile, we'll take it. Tell me a little bit about how Empower You Teas is going. The pun there is on the YOU, right? It's a business that you started when
Yes.
you were 17. That was 2 years ago. Tell me a little bit about the catalyst and about the growth.
Thank you so much for that question. No, Empower Youth Teas really started at a time when I was feeling really down. It started when I was 17. And at the time, I was just not I was so depressed, to be honest. I was not my best self. I didn't like how I feel at all. And at the time, I was interested in entrepreneurship, and just my passion overall is helping young people to see that they have value within themselves. They're awesome and they can do anything that they want to do. And so going through that time, I said, you know what, let me do something for other young people, so that I can help to motivate them. I don't want people to ever feel as if they cannot do something just because of a certain situation. And I didn't talk about it, but I am actually blind in one eye, right? And that is what made me feel how I felt. I feel as if I wasn't good enough, certain things I could not do. And because of that situation that I went through, I decided to start Empower Youth Teas to empower young Jamaicans so that they know, say, look here, it don't matter the circumstances, it doesn't matter what you're going through, everything is going to be all right, and you can do anything that you want to do.
Wow. So how has that message resonated with the young people that you've reached out to?
So a lot of young people, look, when I started Empower Youth Teas, I did not expect it to go the way it is going. It is 2 years now and still not where I want to be, but the messages, people are really in love with the messages. I couldn't believe. A lot of people text me and say, look here, Aishiba, I love what you're doing. These messages make me feel empowered. It make me feel like I can do anything I want to do. And so I'm always getting DMs in my Instagram or on Facebook, just telling me thanks for doing something. So I think it's really little, but to them it means everything for them. So, I'm really appreciative of that. Being able to reach young people, especially in Jamaica, like this.
I tell you, it's so funny that you are going through your situation and you are feeling how you are feeling, and you decide to channel your energy in this way, and then you realize that you are not alone. You're not the only person
Right.
who was feeling this. So it feels like you guys have built a community through this business.
Definitely, and I'm glad you said a community. Now, initially, when I started Empower Youth Teas, I really wanted it to be a social enterprise. Still not there yet. But after reaching where I want to reach, I want a portion of my sales to actually go to youth organizations that are doing very good work in Jamaica, from empowering young people in different communities to, ending period poverty and certain initiatives like that. I really want my business to reach that stage where I'm able to give back in a way like that.
Yeah, so you founded Empower Youth, and then yourself and your friend Jadan Johnson co-founded Next Gen Creators. So tell me about that company.
Well, Next Gen Creators, that is Jordan's company. It
Okay.
is really tech centered. I won't be able to speak much on that, but Jordan is really important in me finding Empower Youth Teas, because I would have listened to him talk about entrepreneurship a lot.
Gotcha.
And,
Yes.
it is him who really motivated me to form a business. He said that, look here, anybody can find a business, and especially young people know we need to be able to monetize our skills. We need to be able to sell our services,
Yeah.
especially in a time like this during corona.
So social media is a platform you use to kind of market and do your business. And you've also been able to get customer service right. So you have quick turnaround times. And how you got all of that machinery together to power this business? Because if the demand increases, then you have to scale. And you've obviously done that. So how did you do it?
Right. Okay, so when I started, oh boy, I just started with an idea. I'm going to tell you, I did not know what to do at all. I'm going to tell you, I didn't do any research. I just jumped into it. But 2 years learning and growing has really put me up here. And so what I had to do, what I do now when I get sales, so you can order straight through Instagram, that's fine. Send your information, your shirt size, the color you want, the type of design, the printing color. We get all of that sorted out for you. When you send that to our DM, you can also WhatsApp us. The information will come up on the screen pretty soon, I'm sure. You can also email us, and what we'll do is we'll get your teas done in about 3 to 5 days. With what I do is I actually use a printery. So I don't have a machine yet. That is in the future. Still waiting for that time to come, but I use a printer right now to get things done. And time management comes into this, because I am a university student. I'm a first year student, and so I have to prioritize the business and school at the same time. But when you send your information, I'll get it done. It's no problem. Yeah, so that is what's going on now.
I love it. Tell me about your shirt now, lady, that you have on. You're a Cape
Right. Thank you
Survivor.
so much for asking about that. So this shirt is Cape Survivor. It says hashtag I am capable. Now, I created this design last year, but I think it is important no more than ever, especially I have to pick up the Cape students who did exams in a pandemic this year.
Yes.
And I would have been a part of that cohort. You guys are resilient. You are awesome. You did extremely well given the circumstances. I remember staying up, not being able to study because of procrastination and we can't bother and all of this, but we persevered. And I think this shirt is a testament to that. We survived Cape 2020. Big up yourself.
Nevertheless, we persisted. That's the next shirt. Cape Survivor. What does it say underneath it?
Hashtag I am capable.
I am capable. I think this one is going to be one of your best sellers, especially after this morning, because there's enough people looking on now saying, Lord, I don't know how I did diet, but thank you for your mercy, because I was able to get through. If it is that you want to order shirts from Aishiba, tell us where we go to do that.
So if you want to order shirts from Empower Youth Tees, all you have to do is visit our Instagram page. It is empower_youth_tees. You can also send us an email at empoweryouthtees@gmail.com, and you can WhatsApp us at the number 492-7459.
Awesome. You, my love, are going to go far. Your spirit, your drive, your attitude, there is just something qualitative about you that tells me that your future is very bright. Thank you for stopping in with us this morning, Aishiba.
Thank you so much for having me, Simone. Have an excellent day.
Oh, thank you. Man, now I feel like I can. Have an excellent day. Founder and CEO of her business, Empower Youth Tees. What a fantastic young lady. Aishiba Cornwall. More on Smile Jamaica on the other side of this quick break.